Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics, Mr. Simons. Today's lesson on whole numbers. We're looking at multiplication and division of whole numbers without a calculator, right? So, calculate without a calculator. Number 1.1, 715 times 1, 2, 323. Right, so we're going to put them in a column. We're going to multiply out. So 715 will first be multiplied by the 3. It's going to be multiplied by 20, then it's going to be multiplied by 100. Right, so 5 times 3 gives me 15. Take 1 over, leave the 5. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 gives me 4. 7 times 3 is 21, so 715 times 3 gives me 2,145. Right, now I'm multiplying by 20, so 5 times 0 stays 0 there. 5 times 2 gives me 10. 1 times 2 gives me 2 plus the 1 from the 10 would give me 3. And then 7 times 2 then gives me 14. Right, so you follow. So I said 5 times the 0 there, or I carry the 0 down, as my teachers taught me in primary school. 5 times 2 gives me 10. 1 times 2 gives me 2 plus the 1 of the 10 gives me 3. And then I say 7 times 2 gives me 14. Now multiplying by 100, so there's 2 zeros I have to carry down. So there, 1 0, second 0. Alright, so now I start. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. And 7 times 1 gives me 7. So if I add 5 plus 0 plus 0 gives me 5. 4 plus 0 plus 0 gives me 4. 1 plus 3 would give me 4. 4 plus 5 would give me 9. 2 plus 4 gives me 6. 6 plus 1 gives me 7. And 7 plus 1 gives me 87,945. So they have multiplied that out without a calculator. Now again, 652 times 253. Right, so I'm first going to multiply 652 by the unit 3. Then I'm going to multiply 652 by tens, or the 50. And then by the 100, 652 times 200. So again, 2 times 3 gives me 6. 5 times 3 gives me 15. So 5 stays and 1 gets carried over. 6 times 3 would then give me 18 plus 1 gives me 19. Right, now I'm going to 5. So I carry this 0 down. So there's the 0. 2 times 5, which is 10. So there, 0 of 10, take 1 over. 5 times 5 gives me 25, plus the 1 gives me 26. Right, then I take 2 over, so 6 times 5 gives me 30. 30 plus 2 gives me 32. For the last multiplication, now I have 2 zeros I carry down. And I multiply 2 times 2 gives me 4. 5 times 2 gives me 10. Take 1 over. 6 times 2 gives me 12, plus 1 gives me 30. Alright, so from there now I'm done multiplying. Now addition. 6 plus 0 gives me 6. 5 plus 0 gives me 5. 4 plus 6 gives me 10. 10 plus 9 gives me 19. Take 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Plus 0 stay 4. 3 plus 3 gives me 6. Carry the 1 down, so my answer there, 164,956,000. Alright, so that's multiplication. Now let's look at some long division. Calculate without a calculator. 3,445 divided by 53. I'm going to draw my long division table. Reverse L. 53 goes in front, and I have 3,445. Right, so 53 can divide in 3. 53 can divide in 34. 53 can divide in 344. So that divides in there 6 times. 6 times 50 is 300. 6 times 3 gives me 18, so 6 times 53 gives me 318. Alright, so 344 minus 318 gives me 26. Alright, if I subtract them. 53 can't go into 26, so I bring the 5 down. Now I have 265. Alright, 53 goes in 265, 5 times 5, 50 gives me 250, plus the 15 gives me 265, so 265 minus 265 then gives me 0, so therefore 3445 divided by 53 equals 65 on the dot. Do it again, 672 divided by 24. So again, 24, draw my reverse L, 672 goes underneath. Right, so first 24 can't divide in 6. 24, however, can divide in 67 2 times. 2 times 20, 40, 4 times 2, 8. So that gives me 48. Alright, so 67 minus 48 gives me 19. 24 can't divide into 19, so I have to carry the 2 down there. So 24 divides in 192. 8 times 20, 160. 8 times 4, 32. 160 plus 32 gives me 192. So 192 minus 192 is 0. So therefore 672 divided by 24 would equal 28. So this is just refreshing things you should already know, but I know sometimes due to lack of practice we forget it. But yeah, see you in the next video now, where we're going to be looking at highest common factor and lowest common multiple. It's actually a compulsory exam question, the way they like to ask it. God bless. Bye.